Hello friends, welcome to Soomro Academy. Our today's lesson is compound nouns. Friends, in our last classes we covered grammar, noun and its kinds. We studied about common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun, diminutive noun, concrete and non-concrete nouns. In our lesson 9, today we will learn about compound nouns. Definition of a compound noun is a noun which is made up of more than one word and is linked with or without a short hyphen is called a compound noun. It's a definition of compound noun. The examples of compound nouns given here are teaspoon, coffee cups, side table, basketball, bathroom, commander-in-chief, father-in-law, great-grandfather, common sense, natural color. Viewers, as it is clear from definition that a noun which is made up of more than one word and is linked with or without a short hyphen is called a compound noun. Here, tea and spoon, these are two nouns combined together and formed teaspoon. Coffee cups, side table, basketball, bathroom. And in commander-in-chief, here the noun is composed by short hyphen, commander-in-chief, father-in-law, great-grandfather, common sense, natural color. It means that when more than one word are combined and form a noun, it is called a compound noun. Now the question arises, how compound nouns are formed? Here in this section we will define, we will explore and see the formula by which compound nouns are formed. Viewers, compound nouns can be formed by following rules. Which are they? They are: number 1, noun plus noun. Rule number 2, adjective plus noun. Rule 3, verb plus noun. Formula 4, noun plus verb. Formula 5, gerund plus noun. 6, noun plus gerund. 7, noun plus preposition. Friends, these are the rules or formula through which we will form the compound nouns. First of all, we will look at first rule, noun plus noun. Noun plus noun rule: bedroom, grammar book, glass jar, baseball, basketball, moonlight, schoolhouse. Viewers, here in these examples, bed and room. Bed is a noun and room is noun. When both are combined, a noun, bedroom, is composed. Grammar book. Grammar is a noun, book is a noun. When combined with each other, a noun, grammar book, is formed. Glass jar. Baseball, basketball. Basket is a noun, ball is a noun. When combined together, a new formation of noun, of compound noun, is formed. Moonlight, schoolhouse. These are the examples of rule, noun plus noun, by which we have formed compound nouns. Our next rule is adjective plus noun rule. Viewers, in this rule, adjective and nouns are combined with each other, then a compound noun is formed. For example, blackboard. Black is a adjective, board is a noun. When combined with each other, blackboard, a new compound noun is formed. Hence, common sense, handsome boy, beautiful girl, clever student, intelligent boy, small office. Viewers, in these examples, the first word is an adjective and the other one is a noun. When combined together, a new noun, compound noun, is formed. This is a rule number 2, adjective plus noun rule. Black horse. This is also an example of adjective plus noun rule. Our third rule is verb plus noun rule. It means that first verb and then noun is combined, a new noun, compound noun, is formed, as pickpocket, dance team, playground, flashlight. Viewers, please note, the first word pick is a verb, pocket is a noun, dance is a verb, team is a noun, play is a verb, ground is a noun, flash is a verb, light is a noun. Hence, when verb and noun are combined together, a new compound noun is formed. This is a rule number 3, verb plus noun rule. Call taxi. Call is a verb, taxi is a noun. Guidebook. Guide is a verb, noun is a book. When combined together, guidebook is a compound noun. Notebook. Note is a verb, book is a noun. When combined, notebook, compound noun, is formed. Passport. Passport is also comes in a compound noun, means pass is verb, port is a noun. So this is a rule number 3, verb plus noun rule, by which compound nouns can be formed. Number 4, noun plus verb rule. First we put noun and then verb is combined, a compound noun is formed. Handshake. Hand is a noun, shake is a verb. Man eater. Man is a noun, verb is a eater. ant eater, haircut, rainfall. These are the examples of noun plus verb rule. This is rule number 4. In this rule, noun and verb are combined to form compound nouns. Rule number 5, gerund plus noun rule. In this example, in this rule, gerund plus noun, we put gerund and then noun, a compound noun is formed. Dining room, dining is a gerund, room is a noun. Shopping bag, shopping is a gerund, noun, bag is a noun. Sitting room, sitting is a gerund, noun is a room. When combined, sitting room is formed, which is a compound noun. Drawing room, writing desk, looking glass, blotting paper. These are the examples of gerund plus noun rule, which is rule number 5 to form compound nouns. Noun plus gerund means first we put noun and then we place gerund. This is rule number 6. Examples of this rule: fortune telling, fortune is a noun, telling is a gerund. Water seeking, water is a noun, seeking is a gerund. House cleaning, house is a noun and cleaning is a gerund. So this is rule number 6. By this rule we can also form compound nouns. Rule number 7, noun plus preposition. Friends, in this rule we put noun and plus preposition, placing to form a new compound noun as commander-in-chief. Here it is clear that commander is a noun, hyphen and in and then hyphen and chief. This is the rule by which we also make compound nouns. Passerby, looker on, hanger on, brother-in-law. Friends, these are the examples and rules to form compound nouns. You can find these kinds of nouns from a good dictionary, from internet. You can search this type of nouns to increase your vocabulary and try to practice at your level best, because practice makes perfect. These are the 7 rules: noun plus preposition. Thanks for watching. See you in next lesson.